Hello, my people. Hello, my people. I hope my voice is coming out clear. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just let me know. Good day, welcome. Invite people. Let me share this video so that more people will come across this program today. Help me share it. Invite others. Today, you know, say if I do video, people go come say, talk about IPOB, talk about Biafra, talk about, now is the time. Now is the time, and if you would like to join the conversation, you know how we do it. Just let me know via notification that you would like to join. Send a request to air your own view. No insult. Any insult will not be condoned. Any insult will not be condoned, my people, because what we are doing, Aburi for Maaka. Without wasting most of your time, welcome my people. Patrick Emeka, you are highly welcome to today's program. So let me come in so that I will be seeing the entire write-ups. Everything that our people are writing, I want to read it and also give my response to that too. So let me go to studio. Welcome, welcome. Keep on welcoming people. Invite more people. I hope my voice is coming out clear. So if you can hear me clearly, please let me know so that I won't be shouting, you know. 9999 coffee. Make coffee. So if you are picking what I'm saying, I would like you to invite others, share this video on your platform so that whosoever that will come later, good evening, my brother, whosoever that will come later to or try to call me, is better whatever you would like to chip in, whatever you would like to add. Oh boy, now this place. No be later you start to disturb my phone. That best idea, that best way that we could have used. Come and join me here. Let's do it together. So before I will continue, I would like to ask my brothers and sisters, let us respect the young boys that just lost their life because of so-called sit-at-home of today. So, thank you. Mark Eke. Now, the Bokwe, they're my own person. And I have So, my people, I don't know whether it would be nice to discuss the IPOB and sit-at-home affairs in Igbo language, or should I proceed with this grammar? Because some people will now call me and tell me, you know, say this thing as something where we for talk underground, where you for not use Oyibo talk am, you for use Igbo, may we talk am within ourselves. But our people, there is a proverb that says, uko toloshi odala. You know, that's a proverbs. Just this evening, I received a call that ESN operative penetrated my local government. They burned a lot of Okada in Ishiweko Buehi. And they went to Oriago, the nearby city. 2 Hausa men was gunned down. And 2 Igbo boys was also gunned down. Thinking that they are Hausa people. It's too sad to hear such a thing. It's very, very sad to hear such a sad story. Nigeria, now our own. Igbo land, now our own. Before I will proceed, I would like to read out something. This thing is something that happened 1999, if I'm not mistaken. National Population Commission informed Nigerians that they are going to count census in Nigeria. Good evening, Joshua. They said that they are going to count census in Nigeria. By that time, the moving bloc in Igbo land was Mosop. You know, Wazirike was their leader. Nnamdi Kanu was their worker. Uche Mefo was part of the system. Then, as Nigeria said they are going to count census, Wazirike came in with a wonderful propaganda. Every day, I'm dreaming to meet Wazirike. I have only one question for Wazirike. One, why did you advise our people to boycott that census? That if our people boycott census, the United Nations will come and give them what they are looking for. Now, Igbo people, all of them, business people, everybody, in short, IPOB members are young youths. Mosop followers was matured men, matured women, young youths, all calibers of Igbos were behind Mosop. And Mosop told the Igbo people to boycott this coming census of 1999, or that census of 1999. And our people obeyed Mosop. Only few participated in census affairs. I participated that time. Do you know that since 1999, Nigeria refused to count census again? Ask yourself why. Because on that wonderful day, Igbos, Mosop under the Igbos made Igbo people the minority of the Federation of Nigeria. Every resources, every revenue that is being shared on Nigeria today depends on the census of 1999. They will tell you Igbos are minority, other larger groups will get larger share, and Igbos are small, they will get small. That is Wazirike miracle. Now, as Igbos boycotted that census, please, if you Mosop member, touch Wazirike, ask him, say, where is United Nations? Where is our people? And where is our right? Now, let me ask Igbo people one more question. If you look into Nigeria, if Nigeria now water, You dig your head inside that water and you see Igbo people where Nigeria keep them inside water. They know they get enough energy, enough air to breathe. And if you look inside that water, wait till you think say now the only thing that Igbos have that is still keeping them alive today, after they seize the Igbo properties in Nigeria, abandoned property, after they seize all our wealth and gave all of us 40 pounds, what did Igbos hold dear that made them to survive to see today? Can anybody write it here? Let me see. What is the... We don't have power into government. We don't get politicians. We don't get elites. What do Igbo get now as I'm talking to you? What do we have, own, that nobody can steal away from us? Can somebody tell me? I hope my voice will come out clear. I hope so that they hear me. Okay. If nobody want to talk, let me continue. Because when I go say, nobody una send me to come and do this video. Make I the answer. Make I the ask myself the answer the question. Let me continue. The only thing that Igbo man is proud of today, as far as Nigeria is concerned, is our buying and selling. Do you get me? The only thing Igbo man holds dear today is buying and selling. Nothing. Igbo people has nothing at hand. We no get power for presidency. We no get power for Senate. If you enter Nigerian Senate today, if you count the most largest people holding the largest seat in Senate, ask Senator Abaribe, we be saying our brother where they talk to us. Others are God. Abaribe, na mini Angel Michael, where we feel called, he go come for our rescue. As I'm saying, inside Senate way in there, we position do Igbo people hold inside Nigerian Senate. Igbos no hold top 1. Igbos no hold top 2. Igbos no hold top 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Position no reach our hand for federal level. As on a senior brother. If you go to House of Rep, now there was pass. If you come to governors, now Hausa, they sponsor, they lobby our governors to win position. So waiting be the thing we man hold, buying and selling. That is the only thing that Nigeria have not find the best strategy to take away from our people. It's only buying and selling. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is under detention. Arrested, kidnapped by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Under whichever pretext, I don't know. But it's under the custody of the Federation. The first bail when Nnamdi Kanu received, the how many million naira deposit is under the jurisdiction of the Nigerian Supreme Court. They seize the money. Now, they seize the Nnamdi. Listen to me, oh. The money where they deposit to release the Nnamdi before, federal government is seize them. Nnamdi Kanu where they release, federal government is seize them. Wait till federal government never sees from us. Now that getting buying and selling. I know why if I go, I'll come back to buying and selling. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is under custody of the Federation. Igbos are running mad. Igbos are mad. How can this kind of thing happen? What can we do? It's unacceptable. Kidnapping Nnamdi from a strange country and tunneling him to Nigeria It's against international law. Accepted. But coming up with permanent sit at home, make I ask Igbo people, make una no verse. Make una no verse. Let me take it stage by stage. I am not against you, and I can never be against you. Rotamo kambaraguru. Understand me so that I will be useful to you. You now place sit at home in solidarity to Nnamdi Kanu that is in prison in Nigeria. That is good. I love it. But those people patronizing your business from Anambra to Enugu, up to Imo and Abia, to Aba, Port Harcourt, all these areas. If they find alternative market now, how will our people survive? There are many people surviving in everyday market. I said surviving. Do you know why I'm saying this? If you remember when Israel and Hezbollah of Lebanon went into war, do you know what Hezbollah was doing? Hezbollah set out different stations all over every kindred. Free food. I said, people, every day, people will enter that store, collect rice, collect everything free, because Israel has turned the whole Lebanon to rubble. And they are caring for their people. That is freedom fighters. They have never placed sit at home because of the way Israel they deal with them. Now let me ask IPOB people, in which way will sit at home torment the Nigerian government to release their leader? Because they say that whosoever that sit on his blockhouse, only him they feel the pain. Tell me, how can you sit at home? Today you went to Ishueke, you burn a lot of okadas of people. Most of them are rented, most of them on hire purchase. You are hurting your own economy. Just tell me. There is no way sit at home will help Igbos, Biafra, and IPOB problem or issues in Nigeria. Because Oyibo talk say, if you want your enemy to dance your music, you will never give him sanction that will affect you. Because any sanction you hand out that touches you, oh boy, no be sanction. No. Because now two of una they face the heat. Putting sit at home for Igbo land, harming the business of Ndi Igbo, punishing Ndi Igbo. Do you think that Hausa man care? Do you think that the Federal Republic of Nigeria send? If you like, lock them the whole month. You know, consign them. You know, they scratch them. They want you dead. They want you destroyed. They use food blockade on you to wipe all of you out. Now you are placing yourself, due to the Amazonia of Cameroon, are placing themselves on sit at home, destroying the economy of their own people. My people, I am not here to fight you. Let me advise IPOB the best way to follow. I won't come because our people say that if you use this hand, beat a child, you use this one, draw him closer. You know, I do tell my people that Igbos knows how to make money, but Hausa knows how to channel the money and use it. That is the only thing that remains for Igbo people, to figure out how to make their money speak on their behalf. It's doable. Yes. Israel, they do them. America today, American foreign policy. Now Israel money, they control them. No be American people. Ask any Americaner. He will tell you that the American foreign policy, look at Israel, be like small shit. But if they want America to punish Russia because Russia is not doing what they want, they will use their money. Their money will speak on their behalf. America will start punishing Russia. Russia didn't do them anything, no. So, my advice, I am here. If una no fit think, make una borrow me, make I think for now. Free of charge. Free of charge. I know say I know be IPOB. I know be Biafra. I know done down at this thing. But anything that touches my people touches me. I dey preach love. Love. If you love Ndi Igbo, if you love the people you want to rescue from Nigeria, copy Catalonia of Spain. Catalonia holds the economy of Spain. Every money that Spain used to read their budget comes from Catalonia region. And Catalonia are paying excess tax to the Federal Republic. And they are receiving very little in return. As Wike stated, that River State, money where they go federal be like this. Money where federal they bring back to River State be like this. Now the thing where they happen for Catalonia. Did you see that Catalonia boycott election? Did you see that Catalonia sit at home, harming their own economy? God forbid bad thing. A wise man never give himself sanction for your opponent or your enemy to listen to you. Who cares? Spain blocked Catalonian parliament. Catalonia went on the street protesting to vote new people to represent the ones that Spain chased away. Because they know that they need their mouth on top. They want people to represent them on top. They didn't sit at home to punish Spain. They didn't boycott election to punish Spain. They forced themselves more deeper into politics. Yes. To win more seats in the federal level. So that their matter will be treated in federal level. Knowing quite well that Spanish government is working against their interests. Now there with a copy. Oh. If we now go to Scotland, Scotland made it open so that Nigerians, Biafrans, will know the power of politicians. Now, what did Scotland did? Scotland made me to understand that you can never get a referendum from street. If you like, protest 1 million times. If you like, make soldier kill una. Who cares? UN no care. America no care. Britico, oh, they go kill una. Tire. Even though, me, they ask myself, why is it not that IPOB is not suing Nigeria against human rights case in European Union Court? Why are they not suing them? Now, my question, why they ask? They are killing IPOB, and the European Human Rights Court says, if you are an European and your people are being killed indirectly, you have the right to sue the government in human rights, not be high court, not be normal open court. You cannot sue Nigeria in any open court. But you can sue Nigeria that Nigeria is committing human rights violation. Which Nnamdi Kanu is a European Union or the European citizen. He has every right to open case. Let me tell you now once again. The worst thing you can do to politicians in Nigeria is to deprive them to visit their doctor for Obodo Yibo. If you try that one, I tell you today's date is what? Write them down. They will surely call you to order for sitting together and discuss your matter. Any day you activated anything that will prevent them to travel abroad, that matter will be treated with immediate effect. Now me they tell on. I'm not lying to you. I they ask myself, IPOB, 80% of una wey dey abroad be European citizen. Why are you people not suing Nigeria because of this judicial killing where they go on for Igbo land? Killing your members, locking your members that are protesting with flag, and they will shoot them with bullets. Why is there no case against you versus Nigeria in the European Human Rights Court? Where you go village, go the practice sit at home while you are not doing your homework very well. I don't give you a spot. Think about it on what to do. Now, let me remind you people, Scotland made me to understand that the only people that can activate referendum now people like Abari Bedem. Sorry. Igbo political elites that are into Senate and House of Rep are the people that can activate referendum to ask Igbo people whether una one stay or una one go. Thinking that you will insult them to submission, na your mouth they use, na your saliva, as I they waste my energy here, they talk to you, now the thing what they do. Until you respect them, bring them back, work with them before una matter go treat for up. 1 point. Now Scotland made us to understand that one. Oh. Another thing what I want to tell you now. Most of una remember the time we bank and innocent they get problem for Nigeria. Now through Abina Force. The time we innocent they battle Nigeria with their bank. Now that place, Igbos show Nigeria say, now we own the economy. So I want to use this platform and this time now to give IPOB a challenge. IPOB, I challenge you. I go into betting with you, IPOB. How long have you sit at home, IPOB? Let's go into betting now. I am betting my glasses. It's nothing, but it's something because it costs me money and it hurts me. If I'm not with it while driving, I will receive penalty. I will bet my eyeglasses with IPOB. Try my version. Leave, sit at home. Call all on Igbo people, all Igbo people in Nigeria, all Igbos, not IPOB members, all Igbos as a whole, living in Nigeria. Give them order, or you. Do research. Which bank belong to the northern part of Nigeria? Which bank belong to Hausa for Nigeria? You hear me? I debate this glass. Oh. If you found out all the whole banks that are being owned by Northern, I know say una say na North to be on a wahala. Now that's why I choose North. Find the banks where the owners na Northerners. Ask all Igbos to withdraw their money from that bank. IPOB. If you try this 10, I'm giving you maximum of 14 days. How many times you don't do sit at home? Did anything happen? But I dey give you another for now. If you find out, call Igbos to withdraw all their money from those banks that belongs to the Hausa people. 14 days I am giving to you. 14 gospel days. If Nigeria did not call you to order, call you for negotiation, any day when you see me, bring dog, bring me, give two of us food. I mean, they tell you. You don't give sanction that hurt you. You give sanction that hurt your own enemy. Ishuweke is on fire. Mbano is on fire. Obo is on fire. Burning by who? Burning by ESN and IPOB. You are burning your blockers, burning yourself, destroying yourself. Call me if you can't think. Let me think for you. Stop destroying yourself and your people. That's why I'm here. If I say that I'm not under IPOB, I'm not under Biafra, did you think that I hate my people? If I call my people, you are my people. Sorry that I call you, but I'm annoyed that you guys are burning every corner because of you no get brain. You can't think. If you don't, thinking is not made for everyone. Before I develop this thinking, I catch even at times my eye the turn if I walk out for street because I am my brain the born. It's not easy to be a thinker. It gives headache. Yes. But this expo that I'm challenging IPOB now, share this video. Share it in IPOB platform. I am betting my spec to IPOB. You have been trying your method. Sit at home. Burning the properties of your people. On sit at home day, if people carry their motor to find their daily bread, if you catch them, you put fire on their vehicle to show that you are Oga. Now you get power. Are you different from Nigeria? Are you doing anything in separation the way Nigeria does it? Are you showing your people that if Biafra come, they are going to be safe? Or you are showing them if Biafra come, they will be under Saddam Hussein or under Gaddafi? If you look every other freedom fighters that succeeded, even though South Africa are the ones we know, even though Sudan are the ones we know, they do election, both in their parties and in the government they are trying to conquer. Separating yourself from Nigeria, Nigeria will tell you nobody chased you away. Now you take your hand raw. You can't face the battle. Destroying the business of Fundibo in the name of Nnamdi Kanu that is in prison is rubbish. Our people said, gun where they no shoot for up, no shoot am for ground, no shoot am for corner. Now where they go shoot and go. If people are afraid to tell you the gospel truth, I am here. It's only he that loves you, that touches you where he pains you the most. Not that he hates you. I want you to succeed. Because if you succeed, I have succeeded. Let us apply wisdom in the Biafran agitation. If you listen to me, you will know that there is power in election. You told people that election doesn't count. Anambra want to boycott election as you order them. What did Nigeria did? They put boss, go and carry the northerner down to east. If election not the count, why are they importing people from the north to come and do the election? If election doesn't count. Mumu, wake up. Get sense. Get sense. I am not against you. Rather, I am against your dormant ideology, your dormant thinking. You only copy what others are doing. Why can't you research and find your own that will suit you the more? That will suit you the way you want it. I am here. I am your brother. I have studied everything that is happening in Nigeria. How can my people succeed? The only way IPOB agitation will succeed, punish Nigerian banks. Hey! Punish banks that belong to the north. I said 14 days. 14, first day, second day, first week you go pass. Second week, you go see they go start to block people money. They will block people's money. Your money, you don't feel withdraw them again. You will feel formed to withdraw your money, but get endurance. Get endurance. If they say fill the form, collect your money, go to bank that belongs to Onyibo, go bank your money there. If you don't collapse the first bank, collapse the second bank. Now that time you go no say sanction the sweet. If you the person where you give sanction, you know they touch you. No need them. You give them sanction that will make them to turn and look your face. You don't give them sanction that will pain you. Una arrest our leader. For that, we no go eat. Now then give una food blockade. Do you think they want you to eat before? They want you to go hunger and die so that they will bring in their people. You are killing your people because of sit at home. If Biafra come now, you and who go enjoy the Biafra. Get sense. Get sense. Get sense. And we must engage our political elites. I know that the problem in Igbo land, no be Buhari cause am. Buhari follow because Buhari they ignore the rubbish where governors they do. You know they use EFCC to threaten them so that they will be able to focus and develop their areas. They just ignore us. The way British gonna ignore us that time when we get independent new until we develop ourselves, they can't use war, can't destroy us. The problem in our various areas, militant go attack military academy for North. Military no go attack any village, say na there the militant dey. Military no go any place because the governors of those states did not invite them. And the governors deny it. It's not my people, not the people from here. So don't come here and do ya bra bra bra. And military respect that thing. All the military where they east now, your governor carry them enter. All of them. Now me they tell you. Now governors carry them. Those people where they worship Babao, where they Onyishi, Egade, Ojozo Kangeso, APC Kangeso. Now them they invite the military to intimidate you. Do you know the strategy of control? The strategy of control is plotting fear, putting fear on people, sell fear to them, terrorize their life, and control them. And that is what the strategy that your leaders, your governors want to implement on you. But you can make it difficult for them because the North, now them who power, now that place where they did now, the thing where they want for Nigeria, they don't care about you. They don't care. So for you to make them to discuss your matters, you touch them where it pains. Where does it pain them? That their banking sector. That their banking sector. Touch them there, withdraw your money. Start with Indibo. Start the withdraw your money from any northern bank. I never do research. I don't know the one will belong to them. But maybe if you go online now, go they hide the identity. If you feel rush now, when me they talk this thing now, go find them out. Know the owners of those banks. Make una they withdraw una money. They move una money to a different place. Even known as South African bank. Move your money to Stanbic. Move your money to Stanbic. Go to Stanbic, open account. Move all the home money to Stanbic. You go see say, they go ask una say, IPOB. Una no be tell again. Make una come, make we discuss. Now me they tell una. You don't need to attack any bank. Don't destroy no property. Stop destroying your own economy. Stop destroying your own self. Just find out. This is the first tip where they give. 1, 2, 3 tips is still there in my pocket too. I'm not gonna talk them here. Until I go implement this one. If I implement this one, then I will bring another strategy. It's now stage by stage. You know, I love staging. Stage 1, cripple the banking sector. Stage 2, I go tell on a letter. So, share this video. Like it. Like my page. Follow me for more video like this. Thank you. Remain blessed and bye-bye for now. Please, IPOB, go to Ishiweke, Mbano, Obo. Go and quench that fire you are burning there. Those fires need to stop now. Stop destroying yourself. I am working on the ground for us to establish what I said before. Political and masses negotiation, or diaspora and electoral, that's elites, to negotiate the peace of Igbo land. Because they must discuss the affairs of Igbo people. All the whole people in Senate, House of Rep, both state and federal, must discuss for our own good. They must discuss for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Whether he chop person leg or person chop a leg, we no care. They must come negotiate his release. We must talk with our elites so that this militarization of East will stop. And we, the IPOBs, ESNs, and the Biafran movements, stop destroying ourselves. Let us, even though I'm your enemy, but we must have back door to communicate. Thank you very much. God bless you. If you just come over now, the only thing you will do is rewatch the video. I love you all. I love the Federal Republic of Nigeria, but I love my people past Nigeria. Thank you very much. Remain blessed and bye-bye for now. Ọ ga-adịrị ndị Igbo na mma ebe ọwụlụ unu nọ. Ihe niile unu tiri aka ga-agajiri unu. Unu nọ n'ụlọ, unu nọ n'ụzọ ije, ọgwụ agaghị akpụ unu. Ihe niile unu tiri aka gala aga ọfụma. Ebe asọ naghị aga olu tinye ụkwụ dị ọ ga-agazi. Ogologo ndụ na ahụ isi ike wụ maka ndị Igbo. Udo dịrị unu dịrị anyị ndị nke m. Dịkwara m dịrị ezinụlọ m. Ya gazienụ. Mbọchị nta biko nụ ka anyị chọọ unu n'Owerre nchi.